My name is Zoe Barber, and I am here to interview MMS math teachers. And so, first question, Ms. Johns, is what was your previous understanding of MDC?
My previous understanding of MDC was mostly just with the FOULs and using the FOUL assessments in class.
What is your current understanding of MDC?
After participating in this program, I now understand that it's more of just good teaching and using strategies that help students use productive struggle and more student-led activities.
How is the MDC active implementation work impacting student learning?
I feel like students are more aware of what we're learning, and not just what we're learning each day, but why, as we're focusing more on learning targets and having the students really think about why are we learning about this, when are we going to have to use this. And so I feel like students are more able to tell me what we're learning about. And also as a teacher, we've been encouraged to create lessons that are more engaging, that are intentionally engaging students. So I feel like in our classes, students have been more engaged in the activities that we've been planning.
What support have you received throughout this work?
We have our math coach, Judy Winkler, and she comes in weekly and talks about our lesson and gives us feedback on how we could become better teachers for our students.
Just to piggyback off what Ms. Reinersman just said, so Ms. Winkler comes in and she's given us a lot of resources, our strategy wall, and our PSP, problem solving practice. Mm-hmm. Yeah. And she always presents us with online lessons, activities, different things we can use in our classrooms to push our kids to success.
Would you choose to do this work again?
We would. I think I would, and I think our math department would, because we want to do things that's best for the kids. It wasn't exactly what we thought it was going to be when it started, but I think we've learned some things from it. I'm a little concerned with, in the future, we have a coach that comes in and takes all this data for us. Who's going to do that if it's done for every subject in the school? I'm curious about that, because someone's going to have to collect the data so that we know what we need to work on. So I'm sort of worried, but yeah, we would do it again.
Anybody else have anything to add on that?
I would just add, like she said, Ms. Winkler spent a lot of time as well with the amount of resources that she came around and helped all of us with. So that would also be a question of, how we keep our heads above water when if we no longer have that, or if we're doing it for different subjects as well. So
it is wonderful to have that extra support and the weekly feedback that we get.